Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Anyway, mini vlog. I come back again. Hi guys. Yes, sizofela empini. Eating ekutshele sizofela empini. Let's go to macro to buy come with me to macro as I buy flour and sugar to bake scones. Okay, there is me at macro grabbing a trolley. Guys, thou shall become. Thou shall become. Keep on trying. We try and fail, but we never fail to try. I will be a master in this thing one day. Keep watching. Okay, on a serious note, should we continue with vlogs or not? Just say, forget, girl, forget. But these are cooking vlogs, okay? Anything food-related vlogs. You ain't gonna see me bathing. We are not doing it. Anyway, ke mola ke lebella di special like o tsare macro inale ngebe ke re ke tseba nyaope ke tare micro ke nyaope like ke ntola reka kana bua ona chelete mara o lebella dilo di special. Anyway, kare Satan, fire on your lips, fire on your eyes. Yay, I'm not here for that. I'm here for flour. Then I was looking for the cheapest one. You know us. We are very relatable content. We are not going to pretend as if we have money. You know exactly that you and I, we are trying. So I saw the cheapest one. I was like, my friend, come as you enter. Enter. Because manpower is part of our portion. I didn't even ask anyone. Took with one hand. Now I'm looking at sugar. And sugar says, my sister, you can't afford me. I said, you can't afford me. Yeah, you can't afford me. You know that you and I, we are not yet there. And it is okay. It is okay. Our time is coming. Our time will come. So, I'm still browsing. He decided to reka hamusadi asabereki type of a sugar. Mamfazanga sebenzi. This is the least I can do. 2 kg. Am I not going to have scones? Who is going to know that you and I had we bought 2 kg sugar for scones? Please. Sometimes you put yourself under necessary pressure. Here we are going to teach you nice life, nice food with affordable thingy. I gave her cash. Yes, there's no black card with my petrol. There's no black card. Lemon twist. I had a petrol lemon twist. Then this is my slip and we are going home. Okay, we are definitely going home. Chala konte taxi munwana. Beep beep. Then we went home. I mixed everything together. There's your sugar. What else did I mix? Spaghetti. That yellow part is the food. This is food coloring, whatever you're calling it. Then we are starting the process. Because of, guys, we also have a scones business. If you want to order our scones, please feel free. Leave the comment there or go to Instagram, Delicious K inbox. We'll attend you fast. Okay? Sharp. So that is why I will not go into details when it comes to our secret. Because the business, this is a business. Anyway, the flour is fluffy, and then you're gonna add your mixture, the one that you use for the one that you use when this is the mixture. Why am I wearing a glove? We have nails, guys, and I always believe in hygiene. I don't want, whether they are clean or not clean, but most of the time they're clean because I always wash my hands while cooking. So I always prefer gloves, especially when it comes to scones. You don't want that flour inside your nails. We are not going to do that. But unfortunately, this is not the cooking glove. You have to wash it first because it's a sterile glove. Sometimes they do have certain chemicals. So please wash the gloves first before you use them. Then our dough is on the we are busy. It's you on your day of marriage, the day they are asking you for. I am Wilela Madwende. Mazulu akai but Wilela Madwende, Wilela Madwende. Anyway, we are kakwali. You put them nicely, please. Always use your baking paper. Baking paper to avoid. You use your pans even for frying. What is this? Grilling meat and everything. We are done. DM me for orders. DM me for orders, my sister, please. My brother, you know you can't bake. Let me help you. Let me help you. The last time you ate scones, it was in December, during Christmas. You will die because your body doesn't know scones. Anyway, I'm joking. We are done with scones. Thank you for watching my almost attempted vlog. Hi, thank you for watching, famies. May God bless you. May God bless your children. May God bless whatever that you touch. And remember, may you never late. Okay? Bye.